told that there was about over 200 bikes and cops were kicking everyone out. It is getting hectic over here. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, what is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. We have the V4S, S1000 package, R1M, S1000, V4, my H2, I mean, come on, R1M's bikes for days. This is the pre-meet to our big event. We were going to the location that I posted, me, Kilocam, Max Wrist, arguably some of your favorite YouTubers, right? We were meeting at that location, everyone started reposting it, got a little too crazy. We wanted to show up there a little fashionably late, you know. We got called, told that there was about over 200 bikes and cops were kicking everyone out. I can't talk, I'm so like stressed. So we were directing right now to a different location, posted it on my story, and that's where we're gonna go, to the shop where I usually have the meets, because you know it's private property, we can be there. So we're gonna head there and see how many bikes come in. Yeah, also my clutch on the H2 is still out. Don't even ask me why. I decided to take the H2, but I've already taken the V4 to some of these meets. Didn't want to take the R1M because it's such a, you know, big event. And the H2's clutch is slipping. It rides good, but I'm not like going ham at it. So that's the plan, you know, nothing. We're not going to be doing anything crazy, but we'll make the best out of it. Oh my god, you guys, I just realized that the camera is recording. To say the least, this is behind the scenes technical difficulties, man. It is getting hectic over here. Yeah, my GoPro's glitching out. Yeah. How's that, man? What's up, dude? How you doing? Good, how are you, man? Yeah, apparently the first location there was a lot of bikes, so we had to reschedule real quick, last minute. What's up, man? So we're back again at B7 Customs, but yeah, technical difficulties. Literally, dude, this is mayhem. This is crazy. More and more bikes coming in because, you know, I just posted the new location on my address, and yeah, it's a little hectic over here. I figured because of how many people are reposting this and how huge this event is that the cops are gonna get involved, but we're good here. We're gonna give it some, probably like another 30-40 minutes. What, dude? Yeah, 30-45 minutes, and then we're gonna go on a ride and hopefully it all ends well, because this is crazy. All right, I am glad the GoPro is recording, but this is crazy. Definitely over 100 bikes that way. We got bikes that way, and over here I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna keep talking. All right, we're gonna start heading out right now. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We're gonna cut the ride real short just because of the cops and the amount of people that showed up. So from the first location, there was like about 200 people. There already, a lot of them went there to the destination. So I have to slow down, let everyone catch up, because we are way too many people. This is crazy, you guys. They're literally still pulling in all the way from the shop. This is madness. We're easily over like 150 bikes over here, and there's way more people that just went to the end location because they didn't know where to go. They didn't get a chance to check my story on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, maybe you should, because you'll come to some of these meets that we throw every once in a while and see some of the coolest bikes on the market. And they're still coming all the way from the end of the road. Yeah, I actually wanted to do a different route because the last meet, I believe we did a very similar route. It's slightly different, but you know, it's similar, also the same. But you know, didn't work out because, you know, cops, and I mean, look at this. You guys, I'm pretty sure you guys can understand why it didn't work out. Literally, as far as you can see, there's bikes. This is wild. God damn. Lost a lot of people, but seems like a lot of people made it. This is wild, wild. Oh, they're not liking this. This is crazy, you guys. Fucking wild. There's way too many people. I don't even know. I feel like we won't fit anywhere at this point.
There's too many.
Yeah, more people coming in. The people that I'm assuming saw the address. How you doing, man?
Okay, how are you?
Nice seeing you again. It's only been a week.
That's probably.
It's crazy. We totally took over. She's so mad.
Yeah.
I can barely hear from all the bikes and everything. Here you go, you guys. Sadly, the ride wasn't as long, but you saw the madness. You saw the craziness. That's why I didn't want to make it too long. It's just a lot of stuff involved when you do all this stuff. You got Max and Killer Cam over here. Amazing meet. Totally took over this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I mean, without all of you guys coming and supporting, this wouldn't have been possible. Putting all these YouTubers together and doing these cool events with Cam and Max. Here we are. Like, there it goes as far as you can see. Literally. All the way this way, all the way that way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, if you want more content like this, leave it in the comments. And yeah, we might be hosting a few meets here and there, you know. There's too many bikes to even go look at. There's everything you can think of is here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, support, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Ride safe.